Guys, I went thrifting today and I bought some untested stuff for untested stuff prices. This was all very much dirt cheap. Also bought some tapes. That's Maxell XL2 that I can't remember buying, so I guess I may have grabbed this accidentally. A TDK CDing2, a Fuji DR1X, has Pennywise on it, full circle. Someone liked that punk, sick of it all. Yes, someone liked that punk. What do we have here? A Fuji JP2 and a TDK 8090, so we'll get to those later in another video. I also bought this ECFA tape that to me looks to be brand new because the sticker is still in its original spot and looks completely untouched, so I think this may be a brand new tape. But the main subject today is this receiver, another receiver, and an amplifier tuner combo. Haven't tested anything yet, looks really nice still, it's in really nice shape. These speakers came with the receiver. Yeah, let's see if it powers on at all. Actually, it's already on. It does power on. That's a really nice scale. I do hear some noise. I'm getting something. Here we go, here we go. It is starting to do more and more. Here we go. Here we go. One channel again, but that was brief. Okay, I think it's safe to say that this thing needs a clean. Oh my god. Ah, god. Okay, let me fix this. Even with the volume all the way down, that's horrendous. It looks beautiful, but man, is this thing dirty on the inside. It doesn't seem to be receiving an awful lot so far. But the amplifier part's working. I actually did hook up my computer to it. Just not quite sure. That's the wrong speakers. It's already producing sound, but I didn't choose the input. Ooh. This thing may need a big overhaul, to be honest. They do sound nice though. Wow. Everything's scratchy and hopeless, but it sounds good. Impressive low end from these things. So this is an Aristona receiver. It's actually a sub-brand of Philips. Usually Aristona is identical on the inside. I don't think there's an identical Philips to this one. But it's usually just cheaper Philips made to no lower standard. So you're actually better off buying Aristona. That's gorgeous. Okay, I'm choosing speaker group B because A only has DIN and I just plugged in some cables into the clamps. It also has a dedicated MFB, emotional feedback output for active speakers, making this thing relatively desirable, I think. It's also in really nice shape. That was quick. That just works then. Slightly scratchy. I mean, it's already getting better. That's not bad, guys. That just works. Let's try the tuner. That's what I'm used to with Philips tuners, actually, that they just receive. No antenna, nothing. Yeah, it's discreet. It's got a nice big power supply and some nice big capacitors. This is the Aristona AR6330 and it's a beautiful thing, actually. It looks really good. And love the tiny little switches. They feel very solid, actually. And yeah, I think sounds good as well. I'm quite happy about this one. I only now realize how nice it is. It's using 275 watts. This actually may be quite a hefty amplifier for that era of Philips. And here we have a Memorex System 407. I do feel like there was once more to this. It's now just the tuner and the amplifier. Looking in really nice shape, actually, just a little dusty, so let me clean it up quickly. Came with the booklet, which is always a good sign. This is the booklet for the amplifier. That's actually not part of this. There you go, in Dutch. But it also came with a realistic cassette deck manual. A cassette deck that I didn't see in the store, so I think they already sold that, so I'm just going to keep that because that's kind of cool. Let's see what it does. Tuner power on, nicely. Nice action on these switches. Let's turn down the volume, not sure how to see what level it is at. We got noise. Okay, that all seems to work. Surround system. They just mean real speakers, it's kind of funny. So the tuner appears to be working. Let's see if we can receive something. We have radio. Oh, that was actually not what I was supposed to do. Sounds a bit thin. Loads of highs. I think that may just be dirt though. Alright, put something in counterphase. There we go, much better. So, can we get some music, or is it all just going to be talk radio now? Okay, we're going to have to find our own music because the radio is always shit. There you go. Muting, a bit finicky. That's better. One LED doesn't... Oh, there we go. It's all a bit finicky, but... sound-wise, it's not great, to be honest. It's really not great, but... if it works... Do we have phono? Yes, we do. Noise on 2 channels. It's quite a quiet amplifier noise-wise, but... it also says infrared remote control system. It actually has a control cable for the tuner. That's not there. I don't have the remote anyway. But they have a remote sensor here and they want you to see it. And same with the surround and the CD. This is very much mid-80s and everything had to be digital, as you can see. It's already starting to sound better. This thing has been standing still for very long. Nice! Not a bad score, I'd say. Tuner's still doing talk radio, but it's working. And I love these switches. They have no click. They're super light. Even this one. Not sure how that works, but all the lights light up. Look at how cool that all is. Surround system light. Yeah, mute light. See, mute, surround, all of these. Good stuff. I think I did well.